best buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. I have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and all you have to do to enter is subscribe and leave a respectful comment. A shout out to Nancy, Joy, Rockstar, and Mackenzie. I appreciate each and every one of you. You know, I was sitting here making some things, and I wanted to use my wax melts, and I put it on a piece of paper and it warped the paper. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to make the wax melts separately. So this is what I've been doing. I'll show you a few that I made. So what I did to make these was, let me move these out of the way. I see I have some soot on my hands. Let me wipe that off. I don't know where I'm getting all this soot from. Somewhere. Like I said, I've been playing here for a while. I took a strip. This happens to be cream. I do have some with colored strips in them. And I just kind of fold it over like this, and I have a strip of white lace, and I'm going to tuck that inside like this. Sorry for my hands, they're kind of green and blue, and yesterday my granddaughter was with me and we dyed Easter eggs, and I cannot get that stain off of my fingers. All right, this is sparkle floss, you know, embroidery floss. It's just, let me move this up so you can see a little better. It just sparkles. Maybe it'd be brighter over here. Can you see that a little better? I think this candle is wigging out the camera. There we go. Now, for my disclaimer, I am working with fire. Fire burns. Be very careful. Don't burn yourself. All right, so I've got a little clump there. I'm going to make another little clump because I seem to have found that I can make two out of one little batch in my cooker pot. And so I'll get two ready. These are cream in here. I'll put a little gold strand. These are the prettiest metallic pieces of floss. I just love them. All right, here's my little cooker. I've got my candle, and I'm going to select a little white and a sparkle white. I think I'm going to do white for my first one, and so I'm going to put you on pause until this melts, and then I'll bring you right back. All right, we have melted. I have a little needle or a little pin, and I just swirled it around. I'm going to remove it from the heat. It's smoking hot. And I am just going to pour a part of it on here. My little things fell off my pile. I'm going to just pour it in a little bit of a circular motion. Well, it's kind of taken all of it. Put my little see, it's on there. Just give it a few minutes to adhere, then I pull it right off. Look how pretty that is. I am thinking of making a wedding journal, and I think this white will be absolutely gorgeous. Just going to heat this up just a little bit more and this isn't going to be very much on this one, but I'm going to pour this on kind of in a circular motion again, and then get my little stamp and press it on. Hold it for a few minutes. This is a glass, you know, it's one of your design memory keepers. And I think it's just as pretty when it's just a little bit of wax. Oh, I think that's beautiful. Let's do us another one. Let's do a lace one. So I just cut some strips of lace. Where are we here? Here we are. Cut a strip of lace. I'm going to cut two. There we go. 2 strips of lace. Here's a pink, a very, very pale pink piece of fabric. We do need to fray it just a little bit. Okay, that's going to take me a minute. Okay, I have my strips. There's one strip. I'm going to lay my lace right on top. I'm going to burn myself with that candle. And fold it over. I'll lay it down right there. I'm going to lay a couple of these pretty little shiny flosses on there. I'm going to do the same on my second one. Right there. A couple of strands of this shininess. Could even put another piece of lace on there like that. Okay guys, now I'll get my little cooker and let's put in a pink and maybe the sparkly white and maybe a kind of an iridescent pink. And I will come back when this is completely melted. All right, think we're there. We're just about there. I'm going to swirl it just like that. This is my little stamp. Okay, move the candle out of the way. I'm going to pour just a little bit on top in a circular motion and put on my stamp. And I have to let it sit there for a few minutes before I pull it off. I'm going to cut that right off like that. Oh my goodness, isn't that sweet? They're little clusters, just adorable clusters. Let's do the next one. This one has quite a bit of wax on it, so to give it a second. Yeah, it's still kind of soft. Okay guys, here are the adorable clusters. Aren't they sweet? You can put a little glue on the back and put them right on your page or on your tag or wherever you choose to put them, on the front of your journal. Oh my goodness, you guys, and they're such fun to make. Do be careful. You're dealing with fire though. I don't want anybody to get hurt. Oh, and check out my next video. I'll be waiting for you. See you soon, guys. Bye.